Hello friends, this is Alon טהורי, a certified tax consultant. In our corner today, we'll learn about something every freelancer fears: filing. Disqualifying books in income tax. Let's explain a bit what it means. Banning books is a concerning situation to deny and not believe all the receipts, revenues, and invoices deposited. And he comes and says, listen, Kiri, I don't believe you, and because I can't rely. Regarding the income and the receipts you've recorded, I will estimate how much you earn. It's like, as you understand, usually elusive, huge sums that are disconnected from reality and can make any normal person dress casually. Okay? That's the intimidation phase covered. Now, let's see how we learn, prevent, reach this situation, and how to defend ourselves. So, there are 4 rhythms in which income tax chooses to reject our books and can actually decide for us how much, what did we gain, and to charge accordingly. What presents a risk in the first situation is when there's a significant defect or substantial deviation. In managing my books, that means, for example, if I were to stretch, I am supposed to keep a work diary or another book for that matter, and I haven't. So I'm in trouble here due to a defect. CT, I'm in trouble. It doesn't mean I'll automatically be disqualified, but there's a reason here. And here we deviate from the expected calculation. We need to come and fight for you. The second thing is when a person registers bogus invoices, what's called a fictitious invoice, or logs personal expenses. Among his expenses, he demands expenses that are unrelated to his business activity, or alternatively, does not report all of his income during business. In all these situations, what can they really say? Listen, I don't rely on your books and I prefer to reject them. Another thing, when someone doesn't issue a receipt, what does it mean? An independent person received money and doesn't record it. He doesn't need a formal receipt or a bill. In such a case, he can lead to books disqualification. Another thing, when one needs to manage, cash register fee. For example, if it's at a supermarket or some vegetable store, in a scenario where he's not managing a blockbuster, it's also possible they'll metaphorically throw the book at him. Thank you very much. Immediately. Now, it's important to understand, not in every situation does disqualification happen, because disqualification is a very severe sanction. We have someone representing the possibility to ask for leniency in judgment, to come and say, there was a technical oversight, something that is not substantial. It happened just once that this person didn't register the money received, etc. And to try to help the person. But one must come and understand. It's about a process that is very sensitive. And usually, yes, it will be expensive to conduct facing the tax authorities. And therefore, the best way is to learn how to conduct oneself in a manner that is legal and correct. And if you're not sure, if you're doing it right, please contact us and we'll be happy to help throughout this charming experience. When they catch you unprepared, good luck.